Here's how you can clear cache in Google Chrome. To do this, first open your PC, navigate to Google Chrome and click on the three-dotted icon in the top right. You will see these options from which you are going to click Settings at the bottom. Now, you will see this page. Here, click Privacy and Security. Now, on this page, you will see the option to delete browsing data under Privacy and Security. Click on Delete Browsing Data and you will see these options. First, understand this. You'll have to remove browsing history, cookies and other site data, and download history. So make sure these checkboxes are not ticked because we are only going to delete cached images and files. That is our Google's cache. Now, you can click Show More, and if you want to delete browsing history also, just make sure you select the checkbox after that specific option. Now, after selecting cached images and files, we are going to select the time duration. So if you want to clear Google's cached images and files for last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24 hour, 7 days, or you can also click on More option and choose All Time. This will instantly clear cached images and files or browsing history or any option you select for all time. Now, after selecting it, click Delete Data. Once you click Delete Data, your Google Chrome's cache will be instantly removed. You can click Delete Browsing Data again and you can see there's less than 1 MB cache and images available for my Google Chrome. So that is the simple way through which you can clear cache in Google Chrome. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.